How to make lava cakes. Put 3/4 cups of chocolate chips in a bowl. Preheat oven to 450. Butter and lightly flour your ramekins. Put a stick of butter with the chocolate chips and heat it up for 30 seconds or more. Whisk it until well mixed. Put in a 1/4 cup of sugar in a separate bowl. Crack 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks into bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Mix together. Put in the bowl of melted chocolate and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of flour and fold it in. Pour into the ramekins as shown. Don't fill it all the way. Put in the oven for 8 or 8.5 minutes. Cut up some fruit or something if you want toppings. Cut it the sides as shown very carefully. This is so you can put it on a plate easily. Add powdered sugar if you want. Get some ice cream if you want. Finished product. Hope this helped you. Thanks for watching. Bye.